Before you throw away another papaya seed, stop, because what I'm about to show you today may completely change the way you look at papaya forever. For years, most people has been eating papaya and throw the seed straight into the trash without realizing that those tiny black seeds may be your prayer answer of your hair growth journey. So today, I am going to show you how I turn ordinary papaya seed into a powerful DIY hair growth spray using a few simple ingredients. And stay with me to the end because I will also share the biggest mistake most people make when using homemade hairspray that can ruin their results. So if you are dealing with hair breakage, thinny edges, dry hair, slow length retention, then you do not want to miss this video. Many people focus on only expensive products while completely ignoring simple ingredients sitting right in their kitchen. Papaya seeds are one of those ingredients that can help you grow your hair, retain length, solve your hair problems, and help you to achieve healthy looking hair over time. So now let's talk about why people are becoming interested in papaya seed. Papaya seed contain natural plant compound and antioxidants. In natural beauty routine, papaya is often valued because it helps support a healthy scalp environment. And as many hair natural lovers know, a healthy scalp is one of the foundational for healthy hair. Papaya is also common use because it can help hair feel softer, smoother, and easy to manage. And when your hair is easy to manage, you are less likely to experience unnecessary breakage. But we are not using papaya seed alone. We are combining them with 3 powerful ingredients. Now, the next ingredient I will add to it is cloves. Cloves are extremely popular in natural hair care because many people love using them into scalp spray or hair rinse. So I'll also be making use of just 1 tablespoon of my cloves. Our third ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary has become one of the most talked about ingredients in hair care routine in the whole wide world. So I'll also be making use of just 1 tablespoon of my rosemary. Our fourth ingredient is cinnamon. This is my secret ingredient because it helps to make this spray even more interesting and give the spray another amazing smell while helping to promote faster hair growth and help to solve your hair problems. So here is everything we need. 2 tablespoons of papaya seed, 1 tablespoon of cloves, 1 tablespoon of dry rosemary, 1 stick of cinnamon, and water. So now there are 2 ways to prepare this recipe. If you are doing boiling method, now bring your pot and transfer all the ingredients into the pot. Then pour in water to boil it only about 10 to 15 minutes. But if you are doing infused method, also bring a clean jar that have very tight cover, okay? Then pour in hot water, add all the whole ingredients and cover it and keep it to infuse for 12 to 8 hours. Okay, so if you want to use it immediately, you can go for boiling method. But if you want to use it immediately and you want to infuse it gently and get all the whole good nutrients out without you losing anything, then go ahead and do infused method. Okay, so after infusing mine for 12 hours, now this powerful spray is ready to be used. So the next thing now is to be my bowl and the shifter to strain it out. What you need is that powerful water you are seeing there. Okay, do you see how rich and how potent this water look? This is exactly what you need. Okay, you don't need to break the bank before you can grow your hair. We are blessed with natural ingredients, so just learn how to use them correctly and you see the amazing results you get with it. Okay, so the next thing is to transfer it to your spray bottle or your applicator bottle, whatsoever you're using to apply your tea. Then use it to transfer it into it. Then this powerful solution spray is ready to be used. So now let me demonstrate to you the right way to use this particular treatment so that you will not waste your time and also you will get the good benefit of this powerful natural DIY hair growth spray. Okay, Now pay close attention. If your hair is not on protective hairstyle, make sure you work in session. Or whether if your hair is on protective hairstyle, you also need to work in session so that this powerful spray can saturate, penetrate very well on your scalp and also your hair strand. Okay, working in session is very, very important. Okay, so if you have not been cooperating it, try to work in session in anything you are doing to your hair and you start getting good results with it. Okay, once you spray this on your scalp, then make sure you massage your scalp. After massaging your scalp, you can also spray a little amount through your hair length. Okay, so this powerful spray, this is the way to use it. You don't need to drain this out. Allow this powerful spray to sit on your beautiful hair so that you can achieve that good result. Okay, so use this spray 3 to 4 times in a week as your regular hair care routine. Remember, consistent is much more important than using any treatment once. Okay, so now here is the mistake many people make. They try the DIY recipe once and they're expecting dramatical results overnight. Healthy hair takes time. The real goal is supporting a healthy scalp, reducing breakage, and helping you retain more of the length it grows. Patient and consistent will always beat quick fix. So after applying this on your hair, massaging your scalp, then follow up with your oil, leave-in conditioner, and your hair growth butter. Like as I said, this is not rinser treatment. Do not rinse it out if you are ready to see the good result with this particular treatment. I like to sit on your hair till anytime you want to wash your hair. Okay, so make sure you see in the moisture, using your oil to see in your scalp, then using your butter and your leave-in conditioner on your hair strands. Please do not make that mistake of using leave-in conditioner on your scalp. It's total wrong. Okay, leave-in conditioner and butter made for hair strands, not on the scalp. Take note of that. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever used papaya seed for hair growth before, or is this your first time hearing about it? Leave a comment below and let me know. And if you know someone who always throw away papaya seed every single time, send them this video. Now listen, the next time you cut open a papaya, do not rush to throw those seeds away. Okay, sometimes the ingredients people ignore the most turn out to be a most interesting additional to the hair care routine. Okay, so guys, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more natural hair care recipe every week. Okay, so guys, I'll come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you all in my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.